Why do you kiss the ground I walk on? You should be spitting on my grave. I'm so tired. If I could just rest. I am the Seagull. No, that's not right. I'm an actress. Yes. So he's here, is he? It doesn't matter. He didn't have much time for the theatre. Made fun of my ambitions. It wore me down. The rows, the jealousy. And then the baby. All the worry. My acting went to pot. I didn't know what to do with my hands. How to walk. Use my voice. You've got no idea what it feels like when you know you're acting badly. I am the Seagull. No, that's not right. Do you remember when you shot that seagull? Then one day a man comes along, and for want of anything better to do, he destroys her. An idea for a short story. No, that's not right. Where was I again? Oh yes, the theatre. But things have changed. I'm making a go of it. I feel I finally know what to do, how it works, that I can go out there and really nail it, revel in it. Just being good. Coming back has helped in a way. Giving me the chance to walk and think. And do you know what? I finally know, Kostya. Finally understand that whatever our work, writing, acting, it's not about fame or fortune or any of the things we used to dream about. It's having the strength to keep going. You have to take up your cross. And have faith. That's what I've done. And the rest doesn't hurt so much. And when I think about my vocation, I'm not afraid anymore.